Hello everyone, this is Shiny. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I have achieved this kind of hair. To get this look, I have used Vega 3-in-1 hair styler. This is my washed hair. I washed it just yesterday. Naturally, my hair is very frizzy and unmanageable. You can see it very clearly. This is one of the most popular multi-styler in Vega brand, and this is also very affordable. I got it just rupees 12.59 from Amazon. Using this styler, firstly you can straight your hair, secondly create curls, and thirdly you can do the crimping. It comes with 360 movable cord and it is very convenient while straightening, curling and crimping. The quality of the power cord is far more better than other in this range. This styler has color combination of black and rose gold. When you first hold this, actually it looks like curling iron. It doesn't appear like regular hair straightener. It comes with only one switch. From it you can switch it on and off, and there is also an indicator. It has also a press button, so when you press it, the plates get opened. It comes with 3 plates. You can lock all of these 3 plates using this press button. The plate length is also very decent. They are wider too, and the plates are ceramic coated. But the heat temperature is not mentioned anywhere. You have to do all these 3 things in a fixed temperature. So let's get started. First of all, I am detangling my hair using this white tooth comb. So what I do, I divide my hair into 2 parts like this and started to detangling. After just middle parting, I am just keeping this section aside so it will not interfere me further. I will apply the hair serum as my heat protectant. This will add some shine also and also make my hair frizz free. It protects from heat damage too. This BioLage hair serum has so many benefits. Instantly detangle your hair and add extra shine. It also smells amazing. I have started from the back and here I have taken little section of hair. Again I am detangling. And then holding the styler, I have counted 5. See how the crimper is doing its work. Yes, it's done. One more section from here and just you have to repeat the same steps. But the process is very time consuming. Now I am working on the first section of my hair. Here I am just flattening it. Seriously, it is taking just less than 5 seconds. can see how it gives volume to my hair. My hair has become very voluminous. Now see the difference between these two sections. Again I am applying the hair serum and repeating the steps. I am gonna do this section very quickly and wait for the result. This is how I crimp my hair. You can see the change. It can change your complete look. My hair has become so smooth and frizz-free. I can't stop myself from touching it again and again. So this is it. Try it at home. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.